We are currently standing in the Max Orovitz laboratory, where students and faculty at the School of Education regularly conduct research. The school consists of 3 departments: Educational and Psychological Studies, Kinesiology and Sports Sciences, and Teaching and Learning. The Educational and Psychological Studies program focuses on the emotional, psychological, and social factors that influence individual and community well-being. The Kinesiology and Sports Science students use their knowledge of human physiology, fitness, and sport to not only understand human healthiness and well-being, but also in the diagnosis and treatment of chronic disease. The department's expertise in the sport industry has made it a world-class voice in the business at every level. The Teaching and Learning department fosters the intellectual and educational development of the next generation of teachers. Although each department offers unique and distinctive curricular options, they all have the same mission: to help students gain a holistic and comprehensive view of human development and prepare them to make a difference in the lives of individuals and communities. For this school, success is not only about finding a job, it's also about making an impact. From your second semester on campus, you can participate in active research projects as a volunteer or under the guidance of expert faculty. You may even have the opportunity to present your research at national conferences and get published. There can be collaborations involving the University of Miami's Medicine Institute, the Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center, or departments of neurology and ophthalmology. As part of their degree requirements, every student completes some kind of real-world experience in their field. For some, it's supporting a local first-grade teacher in the classroom. For others, it's guiding athletes in their recovery after an injury or working at a local nonprofit. Whether you're interested in the pre-med track or developing long-term solutions for communities affected by climate challenges, you will find faculty and students who are committed to addressing the issues that affect us all.